Eggs, sugar, butter, flour, nuts, cinnamon, almonds and a bit of salt.
Anybody who has ever baked Christmas cookies really knows.
It takes more than just time and love.
Christmas baking wouldn't be possible without the colorful mix of all ingredients.
It's basically the same with our mice destination.
To successfully host events as a destination, you depend on a large variety of individual components that shine even brighter when working together.
This year at the Munich Convention Bureau, we once again like to uphold the tradition of sharing an advent calendar with you.
Munich as a mice destination offers the unique ingredients to keep on surprising.
Discover our MICE partners, including restaurants, hotels, unique venues and event locations. Open a door of our advent calendar every day until Christmas Eve and experience the diverse city of Munich.
The Munich Convention Bureau hopes that you will enjoy it and wishes you a wonderful, peaceful Advent.